the Sonic, the one in West Sepa Road in Coconut Creek, Florida. Now we're gonna go ahead and order a milkshake, and it's gonna be really cool. And yes, the stalls are not even full just yet. No. Alright, you ready to order? Are you ready? Yeah, just record. Yeah, this one works. Okay, this is really cool.
Hello, welcome to Sonic. May I take your order?
Yes, can I please have one medium Oreo milkshake, and that's it?
Medium Oreo shake. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, 1 second. Total shall be $6.94.
Thank you.
No problem.
You can't pay here, though. It's stuck. It's not doing anything. Can I have the card? With the order screen, it says add a tip and doesn't do anything. Let me try this again. If it doesn't work, we have a problem. The card reader. Okay, let me get out of the car. Okay. What the heck? It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. What?
You have to hit confirm, Leo.
It did confirm. It's not working. It's not gonna work.
Wait, $25?
No, it's not me. I didn't hit it. The screen's frozen.
Cancel. Just hit it again and say the screen's frozen. Don't confirm.
It's not working though.
Just hit the button, not the confirm button.
Oh.
The help button or something.
Hello, how you doing?
Tell them the screen's frozen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. We're only on the app. Only on the app.
All right. Yeah, I just missed that. I just missed it. I'm sorry.
Did you already use it before?
Yeah, I already missed that thing before. So I just hit the confirm button and I just missed it. I just went there anyway.
Thank you for choosing Sonic. Might please take your order, and we do not accept tap to pay. Is that okay?
It's okay. I already ordered the milkshake, and I think the order screen is frozen. It doesn't do anything.
Okay.
Can you? The order screen is
like what you mean it's frozen?
It's not, we can't, it's stuck on somebody else's order.
Yeah, it's stuck on somebody else's order.
It says $26.
Yeah, and it says $26 on it.
Not the milkshake we ordered.
Not the milkshake that we ordered.
Should we go to a different store?
Give me one moment.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
I'll be out there shortly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, got them, Mac. Here you go. Okay, I'll put the card right on my lap. I'm sorry. All right. So as you can see, they'll be right out. They'll be right out shortly. But don't you worry. Yeah, my finger was going anywhere. Sorry. All right. Today it is September 20th, 2025, and now normally yeah, today is September 20th, 2025. Of course, it is the 20th. Yes. And today is Saturday, and it's gonna be really cool. And as you can see, I hit the order button right here, and as you can see, the screen doesn't work because I'm gonna say some kid messed around, or maybe somebody messed around with the order screen, and yeah, I just missed the order.
Put the window down so
Yeah. All right. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it of this video. Please comment and subscribe and like, have a good day. Alright, today is September 20th, 2025.